behind me is Turjak castle. Here's the second castle on today's ride. This is Žužemberk castle. Very nice. Woohoo! Brand new road. I can already see the right numbers from my power meter. 370, 350, 360, 80. My legs are burning, man. Today was another nice ride. If you want to explore the region of Slovenia called Dolenjska, this is a very nice ride to do it. Along the ride you can see or you pass two castles, Grad Turjak and Grad Žužemberk. It's a nice rolling hills ride. It's not particularly hilly. The road goes along small towns, and fortunately the roads are not busy. As you can see, I'm riding for quite some time now, and none of the cars have passed me. As you can see, it's autumn now in Slovenia, and there's some beautiful colors, a lot of yellow, brown, red colors, fallen leaves. It's really beautiful. So guys, don't forget to check the description below, where you can download a GPX track, and you can see a further ride description below. And that's it. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and I hope even more that sooner or later you're gonna visit Slovenia and ride this or any of the other rides. Guys, thank you again and enjoy.